Is that a sign of me getting a bit older? Maybe. Why I'm no longer posting about 75 hard. Good morning everyone from a very sunny, warm Friday. I am in the car with Barney. I just picked him up from his groom. Barney, are you handsome? We're gonna drive home now and get started with this Friday, but I just thought I'd take you along for this weekend. Friday is my day off, so it's been really nice to have a little slow morning whilst Barney's been having his puppy spa day and just sit down and collect my thoughts for the end of the week. But we're gonna drive home now because I don't want this guy to get too hot, and let's crack on with the rest of today. I have just made myself some lunch, but I'm so sorry it's not very interesting. I've just got some tuna, some sweet potato pakoras, some cottage cheese and some sweet corn. I definitely need to do a food shop this weekend. Post lunch, I'd just like to make a little confession. Say it with me now. We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. I'm gonna make another coffee. Yes, did I have a coffee 2 hours ago? Yes, I did. Am I making another one? Heck yes, I am. It's Friday afternoon. I'm going for it. I'm gonna make this one with oat milk. I've been trying to lean off oat milk a little bit and have more almond milk this week. I know some of the oat milk has got quite a lot of oil in it. I try and look at the back here. Obviously it's not a lot, but as you might know, I'm trying to be on a bit of a Whole Foods hype. I'm absolutely obsessed with Nespresso. These hazelnut pods are my favourite. I must admit though, I've recently tried the strawberry and cream limited edition flavour. They're unreal. Absolutely unreal. Also as well in my coffees, put 3 flav drops in. I've got a big task to do this afternoon. I've actually got to go through my wardrobe and have a little bit of a reorganise and a bit of a declutter as well. The objective of doing this wardrobe sort out this afternoon is to just make sure that I have clothes other than my activewear to wear on a daily basis. I don't know if anyone can relate to this out there. Maybe my active girlies can, but because I spend a lot of my time moving my body yaddy yaddy, whether that be walking my dog, doing workouts, teaching dance classes, I am just living in my activewear. I'm living in my activewear, but then I'm also going to brunch in my activewear. I'm also shopping in my activewear. And honestly, sometimes I just feel like I could look a little bit more put together for certain things in my life. And actually, like, it would be really lovely to have some cute outfits to wear on a day-to-day basis that don't have to be dressy, but just could look a little bit more put together. I absolutely love though that activewear has become a trend. There are a lot of people wearing like the wide-legged joggers now and wide-legged pants and wearing trainers with their outfits, and it looks very cute and aesthetic, but I think this is the problem. The way I've been doing it doesn't look very cute or aesthetic, so that's what I'm trying to fix. Yeah, I'm basically going to go through my whole wardrobe and organise it in a way that I have all my active wear in one space and then all of my day-to-day regular clothes in another, and hopefully that'll help me reach towards what I actually want to wear on a day-to-day basis. It was actually so good doing this wardrobe sort out because I realised that I do have things in my wardrobe that I can wear, and even though some of my pieces are quite basic and do kind of emulate the active girly vibes, I know that I can dress up these things with accessories, jewellery, cute trousers, cute biker jackets. In a way, I just really felt like I was shopping my own wardrobe, and now I have a good idea, with some help from Pinterest, how to pair things together. And also, my activewear drawers are so much more organised and most importantly separate from my main wardrobe. I am now very quickly getting ready because I'm about to head out to a little meal. Just me and my husband. We're gonna go to this local Japanese restaurant. It's very cute, it's very small, it's very independent, and the food is incredible, so I'm super excited. I am a no makeup type of girly. I used to get so glammed up. That used to be me, and you know what? Now I'm in my 30s. I've just realised that it's not for me anymore, guys. I just love a more natural look. I feel like makeup sits on my face differently now in my 30s, and I feel like less is more. And honestly, like the makeup products that I use are like super minimal as well. Some of my favourite no makeup products are like the L'Oreal Tint Serum. It just gives you like a nice kind of light glow. I also use like the True Match L'Oreal foundation. That's a bit of a light coverage one. As long as I've got my brows on, that's the main thing. For brows, I love HD brows, the kind of powder palette, and I love the NYX brow stick as well. That's amazing. The rest of my face, I've just kind of got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara on, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick and lip liner. The lipstick and the lip liner, those colours look super natural. Like, I love fragrance and layering up my fragrance and matching it with my body lotions. Is that a sign of me getting a bit older? Maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna set off now and enjoy this yummy food, and of course I'm gonna show it you because it's incredible. My face is literally like the moon.
End of vlog.
Anyway, here we are in the car on the way to York. We're on a little shopping mission, aren't we? We've got all our little snacks in the car. I've got my Stanley Cup. This is so random, but this lid has literally changed my life, hasn't it? Because if you've got one of these massive Stanley Cups, it comes with like the straw that comes out of it, but obviously it's not a sealable Stanley Cup. So I broke my lid, didn't I? Literally threw my Stanley Cup on the floor for no reason and had to order a replacement cap. But these caps from Amazon, game changer. If you've got one of these big Stanley mugs and you're kind of spilling it around, honestly, these are so good. It's just a replacement cap from Amazon, and yeah, you just kind of fold the straw back in. And the best part, I mean, it's the little things in life, innit? If you're interested in that, I'll put that in my Amazon storefront. We are driving to York now to go to the designer outlet. What's it called?
York Designer Outlet.
Isn't it got a funny name to it? We're not going to the moon with my moon face. It's just a chill little Saturday for us, isn't it? Yeah, later on, I'll probably do my workout. So I'll probably see you then.
But you don't wanna fall apart, 'cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Go down, Simma, go down, please, go down, Simma, go down, love, go down.
It is now 7:20 Saturday night, and I'm in my garage because I need to do today's workout. Today's been a lovely day. We were in York for the majority of the day, and then we came home and spent some time with my dog Barney, and it was dinner time, and now here I am, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I still need to do my workout, which again, I know to some people it's not that rock and roll on a Saturday night doing a workout, but I am so committed to this journey that I'm on at the moment, trying to level up my life and especially work on my health and fitness goals. So you know what, I'm fine with this because I want to be here, I want to be working on myself. I'm going to enjoy this workout tonight, but I just quickly wanted to address the, how can I put it, the elephant in the room about 75 hard. I know lots of you may be on my channel because you were following that journey, and I didn't just want to skirt by the fact that I stopped posting about 75 hard. I just really wanted to put something out there to kind of explain what happened with that and why I'm no longer posting about 75 hard. Honestly, I just felt in myself that my nervous system was in tatters. How can I put this? I'd gone through so much mental stress, and then I was pushing through, putting my body through 75 hard, which is a lot of physical stress. It just got to a point where I was like, I feel so much anxiety right now, and my nervous system is just not okay. Feeling like so high stress all the time and my anxiety and everything, I was just like, you know what? Push your ego aside, Susie, and do what's right for you. That's why I decided to stop documenting the 75 hard journey. Doing 75 hard was so positive. You know, I'm not going to say that 75 hard led me to that point. It was just a perfect storm with other things going off in my life that just didn't make me feel good, and I had to obviously look after myself in that moment. And honestly, I feel so much better, and I love the path I've kind of set myself on now with this Go Grow Glow challenge. And yeah, even more amazing that I have an amazing group of my friends that when I said I was doing this, they all wanted to hop on and do it with me. So I've got like 27 people and myself in this WhatsApp group, me and my friends cheering each other on, and it's so wholesome. This version of what I'm doing now for myself and working on my self-development, it just feels so much better. I hope you understand that if you were here on my channel watching my journey with 75 hard and kind of wondered maybe like, oh, like what happened to Susie in 75 hard? But that's kind of what happened, and that's why I'm on the route that I'm on now. And my cup is just so much more full now. But anyway, we're about to knock out tonight's workout. It's an upper body session, and then I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna wash my hair and get into a self-care moment, because that is what this weekend is all about. And as I close this evening with a little more self-care, I'd like to take this time to say thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you've enjoyed coming along with me for this weekend. And if this video inspires you to do anything, I hope you give yourself permission to dedicate time this weekend on recharging your batteries, filling your own cup, growing and glowing. And if you want to stick around to watch more content just like this, you know what to do. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.